Step 1. Visit apple.com. Step 2. Click Pre-order. This is the page where we will pre-order the Apple Vision Pro. As you can see, the Apple Vision Pro will be available on February 2nd. The price is $3,499 or $291.58 per month for 12 months. Let's click here to see a few tips to make buying easier. A few tips to make buying even easier. Have an iPhone or iPad with Face ID nearby. When you buy the Apple Vision Pro, you'll need to scan your face with an iPhone or iPad with Face ID. This helps us determine the right size for the light seal and headband, ensuring a precise fit. Make sure your Apple Store app is up to date. You'll need the latest version for the face scan. Have your vision prescription handy. Because the Apple Vision Pro is designed to be worn without glasses, we've partnered with Zeiss to create custom optical inserts that accommodate most prescriptions. When you buy, we'll ask a few quick questions to determine if you need optical inserts. If so, you'll upload a valid, unexpired prescription from a U.S. eye care professional after checkout. Valid prescription required. Please note that not all prescriptions are supported, and vision correction accessories are sold separately. Now let's make the Apple Vision Pro personal to you. First, get measured for your light seal and headbands. Click the Get Started button. Grab an iPhone or iPad with Face ID to find the right size for you. Scan the image with the camera app and follow the prompts. Then return here to complete your purchase. The measurement data used to find your fit will not leave your device. After this step is done, let's assess your vision to see if you need optical inserts. There are two types of inserts. Zeiss readers. Optical inserts cost $99. Zeiss prescription optical inserts cost $149. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Now let's choose the storage options and decide how much space you need in your Apple Vision Pro. There are three options. 256 GB Apple Vision Pro cost $3,499 or $291.58 per month for 12 months. 512 GB Apple Vision Pro, $3,699 or $308.25 per month for 12 months. 1 TB Apple Vision Pro $3,899 or $324.91 per month for 12 months. If you are unsure about how much space you need, click the plus button for more information. Now select your payment options. Buy it right away, pay the total amount today, and get 3% daily cash back when you pay with Apple Card. Or finance the Apple Vision Pro using Apple Card monthly installments at 0% APR, with 3% daily cash back up front on the full cost. How do monthly installments work? Choose finance to pay over time with your Apple Card using Apple Card monthly installments. Get 3% daily cash back up front and 0% APR. You can protect your Apple Vision Pro with AppleCare Plus coverage. In this step, you can choose to add AppleCare Plus for $499 or $24.99 per month. AppleCare Plus offers unlimited repairs for accidental damage protection, access to Apple-certified service and support, express replacement service, and 24/7 priority access to Apple experts. Alternatively, choose No AppleCare Plus and exclude it from your purchase. How does AppleCare Plus work? It provides unlimited repairs for accidental damage protection, priority access to Apple experts, and more. See what's included. These are all the steps needed for pre-ordering the Apple Vision Pro. If you need a moment, keep all your selections by saving this device to your saves, then come back anytime and pick up right where you left off. Here is what's in the box of your Apple Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro with light seal cushion, solo knit band. Dual loop band, cover, battery, polishing cloth, and 30W USB-C power adapter and USB-C charge cable. Here are some frequently asked questions to help you with the ordering of your headset. Can I wear my glasses while using Apple Vision Pro? No. Apple Vision Pro was specifically designed to be used without glasses. If you wear glasses for vision correction, you may need to purchase Zeiss optical inserts. They magnetically attach to Apple Vision Pro to provide precise viewing for those who need glasses or certain contacts. How will I know if I need Zeiss optical inserts? When you order Apple Vision Pro, we'll ask you a series of vision questions. Your answers will determine whether or not you need optical inserts. Generally speaking, if you don't wear any vision correction options, you likely won't need Zeiss optical inserts. The same is true if you wear soft contact lenses to correct your distance vision, since Apple Vision Pro works well with most soft contact lenses. If I need Zeiss optical inserts, how do I provide my prescription? Once we determine that you need Zeiss optical inserts, you can complete your purchase and upload your prescription to Zeiss. If you need more time, we'll also send you an email so you can upload your prescription later. Can I share Apple Vision Pro with someone else? Yes. That person may need a different headband or light seal size for the best experience with Apple Vision Pro. What will the experience be for US-based customers traveling internationally? Apple Vision Pro is great for travel, and when US customers travel abroad, the experience will remain consistent. That means all of their apps and content will remain accessible while traveling, so they can use apps and enjoy music, TV, and movies. On the airplane, customers can turn on travel mode, which adapts Apple Vision Pro to the unique motion of commercial air travel to give you the best experience. They can dial in an environment where AirPods Pro, second generation, and sit back to enjoy a movie while seats and sounds around them disappear. Can I buy Apple Vision Pro in the US and take it back to my country region? Apple Vision Pro is only available for sale in the US and is designed for customers in the US to use at home, at work, and while traveling. We look forward to bringing Apple Vision Pro to more countries later this year. If an international customer purchases Apple Vision Pro in the US and then tries to use it abroad, how does their experience differ from a US-based customer? Apple Vision Pro only supports English, US, for language and typing, and English for Siri and dictation. App Store requires an Apple ID with region set to the US. Purchases on Apple Music and TV app require an Apple ID with region set to the US for customers with vision correction needs. Zeiss will only accept vision prescriptions written by US eye care professionals and will only ship to US locations. Customers may not be able to access certain apps, features, or content due to licensing or other restrictions in those countries or regions. Apple support is only available in the US. Are Zeiss optical inserts reimbursable under my flexible spending account, FSA, or health saving account, HSA, in the US? Zeiss optical inserts may be reimbursable under FSA or HSA. Please check with your FSA/HSA plan administrator. Are Zeiss optical inserts covered by insurance benefits? Some vision insurance providers may allow you to receive reimbursement of your order. Please check with your vision insurance provider. Additional tips. Please note that users of Apple Vision Pro must be 13 years or older. Accidental damage means physical damage from handling due to unexpected and unintentional events. AppleCare Plus will not provide accidental damage protection for accessories not included in the original packaging or third-party accessories used with the covered equipment, including, but not limited to, prescribed or other corrective lenses. Each incident is subject to a service fee. Depending on the AppleCare Plus plan selected, the coverage is for either a monthly term until canceled or for 2 years of coverage. If Apple Card monthly installments, ACMI, is selected as a payment type, only the 2-year AppleCare Plus plan is available, not the monthly plan. Monthly pricing is available when you select Apple Card monthly installments, ACMI, as payment type at checkout at Apple, and is subject to credit approval and credit limit. To access and use all Apple Card features and products available only to Apple Card users, you must add Apple Card to Wallet on an iPhone or iPad that supports and has the latest version of iOS or iPadOS. Apple Card is subject to credit approval. Available only for qualifying applicants in the United States. Apple Card monthly installments, ACMI, is a 0% APR payment option that is only available if you select it at checkout in the US for eligible products purchased at Apple Store locations, apple.com, the Apple Store app. Please like the video to support my work.